Okay, I want to take a couple of minutes to show you guys how to access the online comments in Blackboard and Turnitin. So when you sign into your Blackboard and you click on your class, you can go to your grades and scroll through until you find the assignment that you want to look at. So I'm going to look at essay number 3, reporting information. You see how it is green compared to the rest of the assignments. So I'm going to click on that one. And now I have a screen that shows my submission. So you click on the submission and it's going to open that paper up in Turnitin, which is where you submitted it. Now you'll notice at the top of the page, you see on the right, you can see the grade. You can see the originality report, and I had 0% similar. If you copy or paste anything, even if you try to paraphrase it and change the words around a little bit, it will show up here with a percentage, and I'll be able to see where that information came from. So be very careful when you're using your sources. And then over here on the left side of the screen, you'll see originality, grade mark, and peer mark. If there was an originality report, I could click on this, but it hasn't been run for this paper. Peer mark is what some instructors will use to facilitate student workshops with one another. And then grade mark is where you want to go to look at the comments that I have left. So if you click on grade mark, it's going to now load any highlighting that I have done on your essay, and it's going to show you the comments that I've made by popping up these little comment bubbles or little bubbles that have words in them. So if you hover your cursor over it, it will pop up and you'll be able to see my comment, just like that. And then sometimes I already have what are called quick mark comments that I can also insert. So you can scroll through and you can look at it, and this is one way to access the comments that I've left. And another way is by making sure that you come over here and you're going to click down here underneath the text comment. So you have comments on the paper. You also have a voice comment. If I've left you a voice comment, I'm going to play it. Well, you won't be able to hear it, I don't think. Let's see.
Great job on this essay. You have a solid basis.
So you can play your voice comment there. You can see a text comment here. You can also click down here and look at the comments page by page. It'll just list them out for you in order so you can see where they are. And you can click show on paper and it's going to take you right to that comment. Okay? So if you'd rather see all the comments at one time, you can do that. You can also go here to see the rubric, see what I graded you on each section. So, for example, down here, we got 4 out of 5 on the paragraphs. Well, what does that mean? So this tells you right here where you may have lost points. For example, on grammar, it's proficient, but there were several errors in minor areas, 1 or more major errors, and possibly some spelling errors. So you know that I marked off for that area, and you know to look for that. Okay. I'm also going to show you how you can access comments in Gradebook.